Hi my loves, so welcome back to my channel. So today I have another fashion video for you. It's my winter casual try on. Thanks for joining me. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle, so from fashion and beauty to DIY projects and home decor. If any of that interests you, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get alerts when I post a video, and like and share as well on Facebook. I'll leave all of my social media handles here so you can see what's going on in my personal life. So let's get started. So one item that I got was this. It's a sweater dress and I will show you how that looks. Now the sweater dress I do like, it's very comfortable. I will say it's more on the lighter side, so it's not too thick and you just gotta be wary, you know, about what you wear under it. But I do like the sweater and I really love the color. You can mix and match it with so many different things. This jacket, this is a white wool jacket from Fashion Nova. It's super thick, guys. It's super thick. Show you how it looks on here. So I think this is a great combo. It's so cute. Look at there. You can button it up if you want. You don't have to, but oh snap! Winter lookbook. What? Yes, this is a cute winter look, and it's a long jacket. So. And I will wear this with these boots here, and I will link these boots below. I purchased these from Nasty Girl, and these are so adorable. They're so cute. You can wear them with almost anything. So I got this two-piece white, it's a sweatsuit. It's in white and it's like sweatpants and a jacket. I got this from Fashion Nova, and I do think that it is really cute. It's very thick. It is super thick. I do like that about it. So another two-piece outfit that I got was this. It's a red sweater and it came with a skirt. It was from Nasty Girl, I believe. This is in a small medium, and I'll show you how this looks on me as well. This is very thick, very warm. I will say that, very warm. Now I can't say I like how the skirt fits on me, but I really do like the top. The skirt is not tight at all. I might have should have got a size smaller on the skirt just so that it would fit a little bit better. It's kind of big, but it's a two-piece. And look at this. You see that? That's cute. The little tufts at the end. Another outfit that I'm gonna try on for you guys is this pink jumpsuit. It's a really light metallic pink jumpsuit that I got from Fashion Nova. It looked really cute online, so I'm gonna try this on and show you how it looks. And I also picked up this black dress from Fashion Nova. It's all black, which I've been wanting an all black, just casual dress so that I can layer with different jackets, you know. So I will show you how this looks. I will say it's very tight, but it's double layered. It's double layered, so that's really good. So you can't see through it, which is something you always are worried about when you order a black skirt or dress online. But this one is double layered, so don't have to worry about that. Whew, it is tight. It's tight. It is tight, okay? It is very tight, so you gotta watch what you wear up under here. This will look really good with the jacket that I got. This one from Fashion Nova. See that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. And with these. Yeah, This will look really good with this. I don't know if the camera, I don't think the camera is getting it, but yeah. It will look really good with that. Very nice for the winter. These will take some really nice pictures. Ooh, I need to go get some pictures, y'all. So I also got this jean jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. It looked really cute online, so I couldn't help myself. I just had to try it out, and I really like it. It's very thick, it's very warming, and jean jumpsuits are very rare to come by. So I do like this one. I definitely recommend this jumpsuit. Totally cute. You can wear it anywhere, to an event, just out casually. It's really cute, and it is very fitting. I also got this white button-up blouse. It's a long shirt, so it goes, you know, longer, and this was from Fashion Nova. Can never have enough white shirts. I do like this little belt loop, you know, so you can tie it in and make it tighter, make it look like a little corset or something. I also found this burgundy sweater from Boohoo, and I like because the ends are gathered. A lot of sweaters are like loose at the bottom, but this one gathers, so it's like tight around your legs. And it's very thick, it's very warming. I super like this. I would definitely recommend you get this. Another sweater I picked up was this sweater. I got this from Kohl's, I believe, and it's like asymmetrical. Like at the bottom, it's very like loose, and it's not like a normal sweater. This more on the thinner side, beware. Another sweater I picked up was this black and ivory sweater. Really cute. I got this from Boohoo. It's really thick, by the way. I've been wanting me one of these sweaters for a while now, so when I finally came across it, I had to share it with you. And I really like this. It's long and it's so comfortable, so soft. Okay, some tights that I found were these from Fashion Nova. They're like burgundy tights, and the thing I like about them is, you see that? Yeah, the zippers on the side, and they're like textured. I also picked up another pair of pants. These are like navy blue, and they're like tights, but made like pants. They're not jeans, like jeggings, I guess you can call them. Like jeans and leggings mixed into one. So I really like how they feel. They're very lightweight, so I'm gonna try these on and show you how they look. So these pants are very tight. I mean, I can barely move in them. And what size? Let me see what size I ordered. I don't even see what size I ordered, guys. I have to take them off, really, but oh, look, can't see. Oh, okay, I get it. These are small. So these are small. So I will say definitely go up a size in these. They're very tight. But anyway. Also picked up this hat. Nothing says winter like a winter wool hat, okay? Yo, look at that. Yo, I like this hat. Like, and I don't even have it on with an outfit right now, but I can just see pictures. I can just see me strolling with my heels and my long jacket on. I like this hat. I am definitely feeling the hat. Do you like it? Cute. And very rare to come by, the wool ones with the leather band on it. So I picked this up from Fashion Nova. I will link everything below. Another item that I got that I cannot wait to try on is this caramel jacket. It's in the color brown, and it's like a trench coat. You see that? It's a trench coat, and it's made from corduroy. Yeah, I can't wait to try this on. I do not have any jacket in this color. This color is very rare. This like brown nude type color. So I was kind of ecstatic when I saw this. So can't wait to try it on. So some shoes I got were these. Like, these are knee-high boots, and they're in the color of like brown or light brown, I guess you could say. The color is different. That's what drew my attention to them. So I'll show you how they look on me, and they're flat. So I do like flat knee-high boots because I can wear them anywhere. If I'm in a rush, if I'm going to the grocery store, just anywhere. Like, my feet doesn't have to suffer for my cuteness. So I can still be stylish and cute. Another pair of shoes I got are these. These are so cute for the winter. They are wedges, black wedges, and it's made of suede. I don't think it's real suede, but these are so cute though, because you can wear them with anything, and again, your feet doesn't have to suffer for being cute. It's a wedge, and they're just really cute. I got these from JCPenney, and they said they're available in regular and wide. So I will try these on for you all and show you how they look on my feet. And another pair of great shoes for the winter are these white K-Swiss. You guys will not believe where I found these though. These I found from Ross, and they were on clearance for $13.99. So you always need some white tennis shoes. Like, you just can't get enough white tennis shoes in your closet. And I thought these was just so cute, so I'm gonna try this on. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I have a winter business casual video as well, so if you want to check that video out, I'll see you over there in the video.